sa may labas ng festival. So windy. My cup is from my mahal from Canada. Canada. Look. Dito kami sa may labas, sa park area ng festival mall. Yan. So windy, mahangin, grabe. Sa malapit sa landmark. So windy here. Daming tao dito guys. Ganda ng view. Sobrang mahangin. Yan, look at the view. Hi guys! Hello! Hello guys! Good evening, good evening. No, not yet. It's already 5 o'clock. I'm here because now is my day off, Sunday. Yan, nagpasyal-pasyal si Juan. Here at in front of festival. Hi guys! Ito mga puno. The trees. Maganda dyan guys. Ito yung pasyalanan dito sa may harap ng festival. Yan, marami nag-picnic. Ayan, nag-picnic po sila. Oh. Ayan guys. Yan, may mga bata. Bye guys!